Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Neo 3 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So in this video I'd like to show you two different ways of turning on this option. The first one is more user-friendly and the second one is a little bit more advanced as we need to unlock the developer options. So let's begin with the first one. All you have to do is to go to the settings. Here, let's scroll all the way down to find System and Update. Then tap on System Update. And in the right upper corner, we've got the three dots icon, so let's tap on it. Then let's tap on Settings. And as you can see at the top, we've got the auto check updates, and under it we've got auto download. However, it is grayed out. We cannot turn it on. It is because that we have to firstly turn on this upper option, so auto check updates, which is a great option. However, we have to focus on the auto download. Simply tap on the switcher and make sure that it is turned on. And from now on, your device will automatically check for the updates. Of course, if you're connected to the network. And then your device will auto-download it if you're using the Wi-Fi, which is a nice option. The second way is, as I said, more advanced. So in the settings, we have to go to About Phone, first of all. Then scroll down and localize build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in developer mode. And if you've got the screen lock, your device will ask you to enter it to confirm the whole step. It is because it is, the developer options are advanced and your device needs confirmation. So just enter the screen lock, everything is all right. Then let's go back to the regular settings and go to System and Update and tap on Developer Options. And here we have to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, Automatic System Updates, and tap on the switcher to turn on this option. So from now on, your device will apply the updates whenever the device will be restarted. And of course, whenever the update is available. You can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. And you can also turn off the developer options just by tapping on the switcher at the top. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.